on the storms that are coming and not being able to maybe enjoy what we have right now. And today, especially here this evening where the winds are beginning to relax a little bit, it is a nice evening and we aren't going to get sunshine that often as we move into the next 7 days. So when we do get sun, we got to really soak that in and take advantage of it to have that opportunity here for this evening. Fawn Grove, New Oxford, Lewistown, and Millersville, we almost made it to 50 degrees at Fawn Grove earlier today. New Oxford, Lewistown, Millersville all into the mid 40s, but now we're dropping. As a matter of fact, we've got Lewistown now at about 34. And that's some of that colder air that's now beginning to filter in. And again, it's just enough cold air to create mix. If you know anyone in Florida right now, they're enjoying temperatures that are in the 80s. Warm air is across the south, cold air is to the north, and we're just stuck in this very active pattern, meaning all of the moisture is moving right over top of the mid-Atlantic, and that's why we have another one here moving into the weekend. But as I said at the top of the show, let's still enjoy the weekend, even though we do have some mix moving in. A lot of that's going to be happening Saturday evening and Saturday night. So I just removed the clouds. I'm focusing just on the snow, mix, rain, and notice the morning hours were quiet. Now, if you're hearing about the afternoon, I want to point out between noon and 4, there's going to be some spotty snow sleet showers. Nothing that's really going to be consistent. Now, once we get after 4 p.m., notice we get this steady shield to move in. That is really the meat and potatoes of this system. That is going to be here through the late evening into the early nighttime for Saturday. This is 10 p.m. Then watch what happens after midnight. It starts to taper off. Here's midnight. So really, we've got the second half of Saturday night to really get out there, perhaps treat the roads. I still think Sunday morning we're going to have to use a little caution, especially those secondary roads, the driveways, sidewalks could be ice because temperatures are still going to be around freezing at that time. So we're all in winter weather advisories. It's very similar to what we saw earlier this week. And by the way, the ice warnings, I want to point that out because that's where we typically have more of a concern for what could be power outages or ice buildup on the tree limbs. When I start seeing ice warnings, then I get a little more concerned. That's not in the viewing area. For us, I would say very similar to what we saw there Wednesday night into Thursday morning, where there will be a period of sleet, freezing rain, even a little bit of snow to start. Here's our extended outlook. So that's what we see into the weekend. That's then the next storm arriving later Tuesday into Tuesday night. That one could actually feature some light snow for us. Then Wednesday, there's the next round, Wednesday into Thursday morning. And then even next weekend. So I said, we're sort of in this very active boundary area or active zonal area that we're going to be seeing frequent activity. Nothing that's producing large amounts of rain or snow, but it's just enough that it's like, okay, when is spring? That's probably what you're going to be thinking here as we move into the next 7 days.
Making up for last year, though.
Yeah, we certainly are.
Yeah.
That's a good point.